All right, boys, here we go. I know on the video from Bike Week we called that Wednesday night her maiden voyage, but that was just a bike night and back. So I don't know if we're gonna really count that or not. What do you think?
Like the pre.
It's a pre-maiden voyage. It's like a test run. Yeah, here she is. Man, that's a good-looking motorcycle. We learned that this color is called Pewter Pearl. I want to name it. Look at her. She's already shaking her head. I want to name it Peter Parker. But she wants to call it what?
I don't know.
Oh my God, she already changed.
Road cunt?
Road cunt or Road King cunt. She's been singing that for 4 days. Now all of a sudden she's like, I don't know. All right, we're going to head out. Today is the last day of Bike Week. And while we typically try to avoid those crowds, we may kind of skirt the outsides of it a little bit. Maybe head over to Ormond Beach. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what it looks like. If we turn around, we turn around. Go on ahead. I want to look at you.
Oh my God.
There she goes. Look at her. Handling that thing like a boss, baby. Yeah. Well, it feels good to move. It's been cold the last several days, and hell, last night, shit, we were at that burning bike thing last night.
Yes.
Yeah, and she came home a little bit early because my grandson was being a little brat. But I went over to the old Glenwood Tavern and got home about 12:30, and let me tell you, I was cold. And today, I was out, checking tire pressure and oil levels and whatnot, and I'm sweating a little bit, so this feels pretty good.
A little bit chilly for me.
Yeah? Hey,
Standing back there, it was warm, but now it's a little bit chilly.
Nah, this feels good on my armpits. Were my hands cold last night when I came home?
Yes.
Look,
they were freezing.
Look, I was hoping that the warmth provided from my darling spouse would help me get warm on that frigid winter night.
It may have helped you, but not me.
Didn't help you at all, huh?
No.
In fact, she's like, go to bed. She was just trying to get rid of your old uncle. Yeah, I can't wait to change those lights. So we got, in the next week or so, we're going to have a video with a full wraparound of Eagle lights. I'm looking forward to that. As you guys may or may not be able to see, we know how video does with LEDs. Her brake light up there is spazzing out. So, just like the Fat Bob.
Yeah.
Fat Bob does that stuff sometimes too. So, look at Bola. She looks so small on that motorcycle. Like her on the Fat Bob was like, oh, that's a perfect proportion of person to motorcycle. But this thing, she's like alien.
Yeah, I don't know if I'll ever be able to wear Vans on this bike.
Yeah, you're gonna need the extra height from the boots.
Might have to look at
platform boots.
Platform.
Like some platform Vans. Oh, you're one of those weird goth people.
I know. You could do that.
Some of y'all out there are goth. I know you're not offended at weird goth people because you know you're weird.
Right.
I know I'm weird. I'm not even goth. I'm just a old hillbilly. We may have to get her some sort of extension for that kickstand. They make them for little short like you.
This morning I went out and, the balsam wax for my docks?
Yeah.
I put it on my bags.
Oh. You know what?
Can you tell?
Yes.
They look a little bit better.
They look refreshed.
Yeah.
At some point, Mama's going to want, color-matched hard bags on that, I think. And I personally am a bigger fan of the color-matched hard bags, but I'm going to tell you, on that particular color, those classic bags actually look pretty good.
I don't mind them.
You don't mind them, but, they don't lock. That's another thing.
That is unfortunate because I can't just leave shit in there.
Yeah, you're going to have to use my bag still. Look at her on that bike. I'm going to tell you guys what really sold me on it. There were 6 Road Kings up there. The white walls, because Mom is a big fan of the white walls.
I do love them.
Oh, baby. Man, she looks good. And Bo Mama does too. Yeah. I don't. We talked about those bags back there, but I think when we get the money for it, I think the first thing we're going to do is bars. I don't know if she's still scared to ride the old Swamp King or not. I may have her or ask her to ride the old Swamp King with 16s on it, see if that's really what she wants. After having her 12s on her Fat Bob for a while, she said, I kind of wish I went a little bit bigger. Hers were 12s there, so maybe she likes 14s. That's probably the most common size vape hanger anyway. You got 16s, 18s, whatever. She ain't getting 18s. She's not having bigger fucking bars.
Oh my God! Can you imagine? I'll be like,
oh, whoop her ass! She gets some bars bigger than mine. Boy, all right, we're gonna head up here, hit these back roads. I don't want to spend up too much time on this video just talking shit on the GoPro. Definitely gonna get some B-roll shots of old Bull Mama riding that hog, cranking her hog. And yeah, we'll see you wherever we see you.
Well, your old uncle never learns his lesson. I'm a glutton for punishment, baby, because we decided that we were going to stop at Destination Daytona, which we came out here during Biketoberfest. You know what we said about that. We weren't really into like all the Harley people or whatever, but here we are being Harley people with all the other Harley people. Well, Mama got a nice little lesson in the old style of Harley exhaust, where it comes up over and around. How's your calf? Burnt. It's burnt. It's red back there, especially when she was trying to back up. I didn't think about that when we got her bike, but yeah, that's a big problem with those pre-2009 touring bikes. That shit comes over, burns like hell. Well, here we are. Biketoberfest is, we were here then, and you guys know ain't no way in hell that's anywhere near as busy. This is bike week, so you know it's going to be shit ton busier. It's the last weekend of bike week, and Daytona officially kicks off like rally season. I need to wet my whistle. Your old uncle's got I'm kind of parched a little bit, so we're gonna go fix that, and yeah, we'll see you around. You know, it's crazy. Like, we enjoy this place when it's not bike week more because it's not so crowded. But I don't know. What do you think, baby? We kind of want to get caught up and kind of hang out, see what everybody else is doing. Plus, we got a friend coming up here. It's her birthday, and she lives over in the St. Pete area. So we're gonna hang out with her. I got to hang out with a couple boys last night. Jake was over in Tampa. Garrett was up in Georgia, his buddies. So yeah, we were just here on Wednesday buying that motorcycle for Bo Mama. Looks like bars might have to wait. We might have to figure out this exhaust situation first. Probably gonna have to go 2-to-1 to get that shit off. It's only money, right? They make it every day. All right, you guys, hang on. You guys know my friend Miranda.
Oh, look, I just
It's her birthday today, so everybody, she's 25 years old today. Yeah,
guys.
25. She says she's gonna hang on this bar
Hang on, girl. Hang on.
for 90 seconds. Nobody else has done it today,
Congratulations to Gavin.
but somehow this is gonna do it. Oh, she's feeling it. She's feeling something. She's feeling that Tito's and Sprite. What she's feeling.
Make sure you read the rules. There you go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, come on, try again. 3, 2, 1. There you go. No.
Ah.
Good try. Good try.
All right, so we have the option to go down to Main Street, Daytona, and have lunch with Miranda's homeless dad, or head back into DeLand and do something a little closer to home. So we decided to do that instead. Anything? Good decision? Boa had some pretty strong opinions about the stretch baggers that we see out here.
All right, hey, y'all look at Bo Mama. Okay, I didn't tell her to pose like that. No, she gets it now. She gets it now. Like, when you get a big old Road King. She want to lay back and relax a little bit. All right, we're gonna get out of here. We've already seen like 3 cops. We've been here like 5 minutes. What?
Yeah, 5 minutes.
Has it been longer?
Yeah.
Here?
In the parking lot?
Yes.
No, about 5 minutes.
You're right. That's what I'm saying. Look at my mama. We pulled off out of there, and she's like, "You motherfucker, I'm going." She gone, baby.
There's an accident or something.
Maybe it wasn't on purpose.
Not on purpose. I don't know. Is it motorcycles?
Okay, yeah, but the motorcycles are like just parked on the side of the road. I think it's a DUI bust.
Yikes. That's a
something.
whole lot of shit going on.
Well, it's
That's a whole lot of hell no, I don't want to.
definitely cops going on. So here's the thing: we had the opportunity to go over to Daytona Beach with Miranda. Her dad lives close by. I guess he lives a very modern hippie lifestyle, and he wanted to grab some lunch with her downtown, which I assume to mean like close to Main Street. And we don't really want to do Main Street. Okay, I know there's a lot of young bucks out there, and maybe even old guys who just haven't let go yet.
Holy shit, these people are all doing U-turns. Let's go.
Is it clear? Yeah. We don't really want to do that. Oh, look at all these dudes. Anyway, we decided we don't really want to go down to downtown Daytona. Not just for the crowd. The crowd's a big problem, but also cops. We don't want to be fucked with. Like I said, we saw like 3 cops in the 5 minutes we're at the parking lot. Since we pulled out of that parking lot, we've already seen 2 or 3 sets of cops. This is a big money maker for cities, okay? And I don't want to risk it, because if they want to look for some shit to get us for it, they'll get us. I'm not a big fan, so we'll go ahead and take our little sleepy old asses back to DeLand, go to some familiar places that aren't too far from home. We're going to head on back into old DeLand. We're going to go over to OB's. It's the last week of bike week, or last night of bike week. I'm sure there's going to be a band or something there. I'm all about it, man. I mean, we've got our grandson at home with our youngest daughter. Anyway, we'll see you guys down there. I love you.
Let me tell you guys how proud I am of Lil Mama, all right? We're riding back. You guys saw some of the video. It's just cool. It's so cool to know that not even 3 years ago, she went from not ever riding motorcycles to riding with me to now 3 bikes in 2.5 years, and she's on a Road King. And I'm just proud as hell of her. So I'm sure you guys can understand that. I'm going to go put this camera away. We're going to wrap this video up. Today was just a fun day overall. Me and the old lady out riding again. I missed that so much. It's been 7 weeks. 7 weeks since our bikes broke. And I think you guys can probably understand why I just had to get her another bike. I know I'm waiting on wheels. You got plans for that? We'll talk about that some other time. But yeah, I love this bitch. You get it. Thanks for coming along for this video and all videos. And until next time, we'll see you later.